Hello, 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 and welcome once again. Trev Landscapes here. We have another one, a normal maintenance one. The lawn is well established, as you can see, so it's got some weeds as well, but this will be something for another day. So we need the lawn treatment for this one, but today it's a normal cut. Do the edges, then do our regular cut. So this is how it looks before. That's this one, that's the front. Right. That's before. Right to that edge, and it comes along this way. So not too bad, but obviously lawn treatment needs to be done on this one. So let's see how it goes on. Thank you. So guys, the job is done. So no more maintenance, no more cutting, mowing, edging, and this is it. It's done. As I've mentioned before, this one needs a bit of TLC in terms of the weeds and just general maintenance of the grass. But it's not too bad looking at where we are in the season. So any good treatment should really help. So this is it. This is it. Really nice. And another promising one to be a very good one this season. So this is what we've used today as a summary. That. So this will be our regular for now in most of the gardens. So blower, 2 mowers. I use the small one because in front it's so small, and working with this big one there will really be a big job. So a small one will do, and also in the edges around, the small one will do, but the big one is to just do the main business, and that's the kind of plan we have. For this one, we have filled this bin. It was pretty much empty, so that's for there. So this is it, guys. Once again, thank you ever so much for watching. I'm encouraging you to subscribe, share, and really enjoy. This is just for you to enjoy, relax, see things being done, and the end result being a nice one. I think it's a good way to relax, really. So yeah, we'll be giving you more. And heads up, there's a massive project coming up, so we'll be sharing that. We'll do phases, but I think as an intro we'll show you what we've done so far. So for this one, the maintenance one, we are done. Thank you ever so much.